What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for clicking to this video. I couldn't do an intro yesterday because what was the reason? Oh, the Wi-Fi was down. But yeah, thank you so much. I love you. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for showing me love. I am very humbled and I don't know what to say, but I'm very thankful. I'm very grateful for getting this opportunity. Thank you so much. Keep showing me love. Yeah, thank you.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things don't knock on easy, no. Never been your average girl, so take time with me, take time. Baby, talk to me with some action. We could find a place for action. Cool down, simmer, cool down, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love.
Yo, DJ Smasher.
Siyahlupha yona yo. Ungashiphi la kakhulu. Ebekhathaza kodwa izolo. Yo. And where are we going?
We're going to a playground. Playground.
Okay.
Going. Yes!
So are you excited?
Fun. We'll watch movies, everything.
Right?
Yes! We are going to bring some fun.
You're having so much fun.
Yay!
I can tell.
Video, so we can show everybody. Oh,
Exactly. We're going to show everyone.
yes, that's the playground. Wow, let's have fun. Yay!
How English apa asaman?
Look at this. We're a good place.
Mamuiso ako na. Get us a mic. I'm shy, you know.
You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. 22 going on 23. You look pretty yeah, when you're fucking with me. For me to see, I'ma show you what it means to be loved. You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you. 23.
Nando.
You look pretty yeah, when you're fucking with me. For me to see, I'ma show you what it means to be loved.
Hey. Namandla sho. Awu. Hayi cha babe siqhaphaza kodwa.
You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle.
Buka kuhlanjwa nkihambisana. Hi guys, we are doing shopping right now. Okay, let me start on this side. Yes, we are doing shopping right now, and then we're gonna go to the pool after this and get lunch. Once again, thank you so much for clicking into my video. I love you. I love you.
Benemali kubone ke ngiqhuba iMerc ngiyaqhuba iMercedes ndingaqhuba iBenz ngiqhuba iMerc no beneMerc ya on the track.
Yeah, fuck back too close. You ain't even know me. Trust my brothers from way back from the north. It's me and the York, standing like they owe me. I just stay, I feel like I'm on my knees. Good, it's a life that we need them in the night.
Hey, mfethu, phela mnandi kanjani? Umoya mnandi. Hayi. Ngenye indlela. Ucanga uhamba ukhululekile, akho amapharazi sibamba.
Para la.
Benivile ebusuku ugijimani. Bona uthi ngizokugaxela la. Futhi amafoni uyishiye endlini.
Angiphathi phone.
Nje bazogaxela. She's all right, yes. Aksona son.
I don't need a like to get poppin', but these bitches in my business call me out your choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me. You be silent in the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Girl, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But then you can keep it like nobody knows it. Stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need a new trick, gold eyes don't change. I'm fucking, I am making love.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things don't knock on easy, no. Never been your average girl, so take time with me, take time. Baby, talk to me with some action. We could find a place for your lesson. Cool down, simmer, cool down, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love.
On the track.
weren't even around me. Yeah, yeah, fuck back so close.
If you watched till this far, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Yeah, I love you.